Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So click the link if you would like to buy this phone. Infinix has announced its Note 30 VIP smartphone as part of the Note 30 lineup in the global market. The device is placed under the premium mid-range segment and arrives with features like an AMOLED display, the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, up to 12GB of RAM, and much more. Find out the details below. Note 30 VIP 5G arrives with a frosted glass back design. It is boxy in nature and sports a flat 6.67-inch Full HD plus 10-bit flexible AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The panel can peak up to 900 nits of brightness and is TÜV Rheinland certified for iCare. Under the hood, the device is fueled by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset fabricated under the 6nm process. It comes with ARM Mali G77 GPU and can offer up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Additionally, there's the opportunity to virtually increase the RAM by up to 9GB. A massive 5000 mAh battery has support for 68W fast wired charging and 50W wireless fast charging. There is also support for reverse wireless charging. The device comes with a PD charger out of the box with PD 3.0 charge technology. There are battery features like intelligent power EIQ and multi-protection. In terms of connectivity, there is dual-band 5G support, Bluetooth version 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and much more. The dual-speaker array of the Note 30 VIP is tuned by JBL and is high-res audio certified. It comes with Android 13 out of the box. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC support, proximity sensor, and much more. Note 30 VIP will retail from $299, 24,600 rupees, in the global market. There is no official announcement on the Indian availability and pricing of the smartphone yet. You can avail of the device in Magic Black and Glacier White color options.